My name is Joseph. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. 100% plant-based and 100% vegan, insoluble fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, you name it. I got it in this post and or pre-workout banana vegan dessert. Let's get it now. Okay, so let's go ahead and give you a rundown of what's going on with this dessert. You can use it as a post or pre-workout, okay? You can use it as a snack. You can do a meal with it. You can wake up in the morning and you can eat it, okay? Throughout the day, whatever you want to do. This is very, very filling. It doesn't look like it, but it's very filling, guys, okay? So if you do not like any type of nut butters or you're allergic to that or any of the ingredients in there, substitute it, okay? I'm gonna make one with sunflower and tahini butter, and then I'm gonna make one with jelly from frozen strawberries, okay? So let's go ahead and let me show what I got going on. All right, so this is what I have going on today. This is very, very easy to make. Don't look too much into it, okay? I have crushed walnuts. I have the Hemp Hearts, okay, which are the middle of the hemp seeds. These guys right here boast a beautiful branched chain amino acid profile. Good protein, healthy fats. Okay, these are Hemp Hearts. You can buy them anywhere. We have Tahini, which is ground up sesame. You can buy it like that in the jar. Okay, non-dairy vegan chocolate chips. We have frozen blueberries. You can use fresh, that's okay. Frozen strawberries, which I'm gonna go ahead and put into my Ninja with a little bit of water. That's it. For those of you who do not like any type of nut butters or allergic to them. 2 bananas, I have a dusting, I have cocoa, organic, no sugar, not the package you buy in the store, and cinnamon, and my favorite of all time right here, sunflower butter. That's it. No palm oil, no salt, no sugars, nothing like that. So I'm going to go ahead and move these guys over here like this. Okay. This is how you want to cut the bananas. Okay. So the idea is to go ahead and cut it not like this. Okay. But like this, because when you cut it like this and try to spread it open, it's going to break. And we don't want it to break. We want a nice type of boat. That's what I'm looking for, is a nice type of boat, guys. See that? Split it apart. Beautiful. Okay? That's what you're looking for. On the curve like that. Not like this. Okay? Not like this, but on the curve like this. So we're going to cut it a little bit like that. And go slow. If it breaks, oh well, you know, try again if you want. It's not a big deal. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm spilling the sunflower butter all over the place. All right, so here we go. So this is exactly how you want to do it right here. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put the frozen strawberries into this Ninja and just blend it up a little bit. All right, I'm going to do that on the side right over here. Just put it in there. You can use any type of food processor, any type of blender, okay? You just want to get it nice and chunky, okay? With a nice consistency. And that, my friends, is it. That literally took about 10 seconds. All right, we're going to take this. Beautiful. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to pour it right into here. And this is what I'm looking for. This is the consistency I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a watery one. I'm looking for something like this, like a slushy and somewhat thick. Okay? Just like that. Beautiful. Now, if you don't like, if you're allergic to, you know, nut butters, almond, you know, all that stuff, then you can go ahead and this is an alternative for you right here. This is going to be absolutely awesome. I'm going to do the strawberry and the blueberry over here, and I'm going to go ahead and do the walnut and the Hemp Hearts over here on this side. Okay? This is going to be the tahini one. So let's go ahead and start. Tahini tahini butter is runny, period. It doesn't matter what type you buy. It's like a soupy consistency, okay? So let's go ahead and try not to make a mess with this, but we're just going to go ahead and get it like that. Just like that. We want most of it on there. And I'm going to obviously show you guys a nice close-up when I'm all done with this. This right here is going to stick to your gut. Now this right here is a green banana, which has insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to your stool. And that's what I'm looking for because I focus on the digestion, guys. That's what I do. We're going to grab this one without breaking it. We have sunflower butter, beautiful like that. See how I spread that on? There's no rhyme or reason, just try to get it, mostly on there. Beautiful, that's what I'm looking for. We're gonna go ahead and put that aside, and we have that. So we have the tahini, and we have the sunflower butter. All right, so now what we have is the raspberry, not the raspberries, guys. We have the strawberry puree, remember that? So we're going to do some on there like that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That right there is going to be so good. If you put peanut butter on there, it's like a peanut butter banana sandwich, So we're going to go like that. I think this is going to be the first one I actually taste, guys, because this is looking pretty awesome. It's frozen, it's cool, it's fresh. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that. So here we go. This is where the creativity happens, all right? We're going to go ahead and put some blueberries on this one. Like that. Try to make it nice and neat. Remember, you can do this as a post or pre-workout. It doesn't matter, or just a snack throughout the day. Something filling for you, okay? On these guys right over here, we're gonna do the Hemp Hearts, okay? On the sunflower butter one. We're just gonna cover this thing because I absolutely love sunflower butter, guys. This one is going to be walnuts, tons of fiber, okay? Lowers cholesterol, protein in both of them. We got that over here like that, right? Then we have some of these non-dairy, vegan chocolate chips. We're going to go ahead and post these guys right there like this. Beautiful. It gives, some sweetness. And then it gives the banana and it gives the nut butter flavors. We're going to go all out here. We're going to go more on this side like that. However much you want to put on it does not matter. It's your creation. Do it the way you want. I'm going to put another one there. I'm going to move this guy over. We're going to go right there on that one. We're going to put those back there like that. I want to go ahead and dust a little bit of this, the Hemp Hearts, on the strawberries, okay? Just a little bit like that. Then I have some cinnamon. I'm going to dust it a little bit like this. Cinnamon is good for blood pressure. And I have some cocoa right here. We're going to just do a little bit more on here. Just a nice dusting. Maybe over here on these guys. Beautiful, beautiful. That is refreshing right there. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put more blueberries on these guys right here. You might want to eat these guys over here over a plate. Because I know these guys are going to be sloppy. But so good. Okay, there you have it. Let me show you a beautiful close-up of this. Get my hands clean over here. Move this out of the way. Move all this stuff out of the way. I'm coming up with a close-up for you guys. This is what I'm talking about right here. So we have 2 bananas split in half. We have the non-dairy vegan chocolate chips. We have the Hemp Hearts, which is awesome for branched chain amino acids, the protein, the fiber, everything underneath the sun on there. We also have the sunflower butter. We have the cinnamon. We have the cocoa. We have the tahini, the walnuts. Wow, that right there, beautiful. These guys right over here, freshly ground up. We have the strawberries right here in a blender. We have the frozen blueberries. That's beautiful. We have the hemp hearts on top. These guys right here, very refreshing, light on the stomach, a little bit less lighter than obviously the nut butters, but that's what we're having right now, guys. Remember, be safe, be well, be yourself, feed your body what it wants, and that's it. Have an awesome day. Till next time, see you later, guys.